Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, this is your social study class of class 3, and today we are going to start our first lesson, that is we are special, and in this our topic is national identities. This is our first week topic, part 1. Today's topic is national symbols. What are national symbols and what is their importance? This you will learn in today's lesson. So let's start. National symbols are pride of the nation. National symbols are easily recognized entities that are used as means to communicate the history and culture of a particular nation. Symbols are important because they represent the history, culture, values, and dream of a nation. As such, they have to be treated utmost respect. All these points means that we should have to give respect to our national symbols because these shows our identity to the international world. National identity of Pakistan. So let's go through this topic, that what it says. Every country has its own national symbol, national heroes, and other unique things that make up its national identity. Like all nation, Pakistan has its own national identity. Pakistan has many national symbols like national poet, national fruit, national vegetable, national dish, national language. So some of the symbols that recognize us as Pakistanis are as follow. So let's discuss. National flag. The Pakistani flag is green and white with a crescent and a star. The green part represents the Muslims and white part represents the non-Muslim. It means that in Pakistan, Muslims are in large number, while the white part represents the non-Muslims like Hindus, Sikh, Christian, and some other minorities. Then, national anthem. Our national anthem is the prayer for the prosperity of Pakistan. It was written by a famous poet, Hafiz Jalandhari. Okay, we sing national anthem to show our love and respect for our country. Then we have currency. Our currency is called Pakistani rupee. The State Bank of Pakistan issues the currency. All banknotes features a portrait of Quaid-e-Azam. The symbol for the rupee is RS. You can see so many rupees, all have Quaid-e-Azam portrait on it, and the notes are of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 1000 and 5000. 500,000, and then we have currency note that is 5,000. So then we have religion and national dress. Most Pakistanis are Muslims. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. We all are Muslims and our religion is Islam. And this is also our religion. And in this name, our Pakistan is also created. And our Pakistan, we follow the teachings of Almighty Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And our national dress is shalwar kameez. And women also wear shalwar kameez, but they wear dupatta. Then language. Our national language is Urdu. Some other regional languages are also spoken like Sindhi, Balochi, Pashto, Punjabi, Hindko, and Saraiki. Pashto is spoken by Khyber Pakhtunkhwa people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Then we have Balochi, Sindhi, Punjabi, and all these languages are the local languages of different provinces. Then national poet. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is our national poet. He was born on 9th November 1877 at Sialkot. He wrote amazing poetry in Urdu and Persian language. He also wrote poems for children as well. Then we have national flower and game. So, do you know what is our national game? Our national flower is jasmine, while our national game is field hockey. Pakistan won hockey championship for 4 times. National bird and national animal. So our national bird is chokar, while national animal is markhor. You can see the pictures of our national bird and national animal. Then we have our national dish of food. So what do you think? What is our national dish? Some people think that biryani is our national dish, but they are wrong. Our national food and dish is nihari. Then we have national fruit and vegetable. Our national fruit is mango, while our national vegetable is ladyfinger. You can see the pictures of both fruit and national fruit and vegetable. So, class, this was all about national symbols and identity of Pakistan. I hope you have learned many things from our today's topic. Thank you, class. See you with another topic of week 1. And goodbye for now. This was end of week 1 summer vacation task topic part 1.